This is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Thursday, the 20th of February, 2014. As you get ready for class tomorrow, I'd like you to read Units 19, 47.1, 47.2, and 48.1. And I'd like you to think about a couple things. First of all, I'd like you to think about the Earth. I'll put an E on there for Earth. What covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface out here? Number 2, the material that covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface, does it always stay in exactly the same spot? Does it change, and if so, how often does it change? And number 3, are those changes related to the object that orbits the Earth, namely the Moon? Put another way, what effect does the Moon have on the material that covers the Earth's surface? When we shift now to our second question, we talk about not our moon, but moons of Jupiter. On the left here is a picture of the moon Io, the closest moon to Jupiter, about as far away from Jupiter as our moon is. But I want to draw your attention to this thing right here. What's that peeking up over the surface? And what are these black dots that we see on Io's surface? The second moon here is Europa. I'll call it I'll write it out, Europa. If we look at its surface, what do we see? It looks sort of white, but then there are these cracks or lines that appear to run along Europa's surface. Europa's further out from Jupiter than Io. What does that suggest? And what do these things have to do with each other? We'll talk about that and more when we get together tomorrow. See you then.